You already know. Who you calling sup, baby?
Not you.
Yeah, you better not be talking to me looking broke. Get off. Bye. Bye. Sup? Ew. So
You better watch who you talking to.
So yeah, back at again with
so
another Mia video. So I think today's video is going to be me acting bougie on Monkey and don't want no broke guys, because it's 2019. We don't want no broke dudes. So today we are going to be doing that, and we're going to be seeing how people react. If you do like this video, please post the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Look, say the line. Hide your keys, hide your wife.
You dumb. Really dumb.
and so we're going to be getting started. Seeing what, I got on my fit for today. You already know where it's at, champion. So we're just gonna get started. Okay, so we added the glasses on. Ooh. And then we're gonna be tending, like, yes, I got a bandana on. I don't feel like tying it. And so we're gonna be acting like we don't need these broke guys.
So dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Kira. So people are already skipping me as it is. It's okay. Look. What's up? From Chicago. Where are you from? Are you from Texas? I wasn't trying to add no time. What are we doing?
Okay, what you doing?
Chilling. I don't know how to. Yeah, that's a. Thank you. When can I go get some money? Too good to have a broke bum guy. Why do people keep skipping?
Oh God, bro. Yo.
What's up?
Woo! What a sunny day here. What is good?
And to help and try to fight the offender off, that break-in happened early this morning in the 500 block of Webster Drive in Huntsville. WFF 48's Elizabeth Gentle caught up with the victim. Elizabeth, emotions were running high.
No. Bring the other guy back.
Oh no, we can't have this broke guy. Get off my camera. Get off. Get off. Get off. You smoking? Get off.
You just lock me up, boy.
Where is your face?
Yeah, where's your face?
Put your face in the camera.
Are you trying to throw to some ass?
No, is you too broke for that?
What the?
They want to put your face in the camera. We can't be happy mad. Hold up. I kind of look like. Who you calling sup, baby?
Not you.
Yeah, you better not be talking to me looking broke. Get off. Bye. Bye.
You got a gangster in the fucking video chat right now.
Put your face in the camera. Put your face in the camera.
Bitch.
Put your...
Listen to me. Like I do this all the time, and if I go out at the house or to the door, that's
What's funny?
You a hot girl.
Summer all day, period.
When ain't you becoming a hot girl?
What you mean?
You can't, no. You should have been a hot girl back in July. Too late now, scooping stuff back. All
I'm a hot girl.
I see. Bernie.
I know. Look, if I'm trying to come for people.
Just got put on. Who is this? Look at her. Glowing or whatever. Yeah.
I already know I'm glowing. Thank you for telling me.
Okay.
Thank you for telling me, though. Thank you.
Oh my God! Wow!
What are you staring at me for? You gonna say something? Don't stare at me.
Hey, add more time.
Are you?
Add more time.
I don't want to add more time with you. I don't. I have energy today. About to do it again. 2. Oh no. Get off the camera. You're too broke. Bye. Get off. Bye. 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 Bye.
Oh, yo, how old are you for real?
How old do you think I am?
20. Yo, you got an Instagram?
I don't know. Do I?
I don't know. Can I get it? Can you add time?
I'd rather not though. I want to add time with nobody broke.
Yo, what the fuck is happening? What are you wearing? How come you look like my ass? What the fuck?
Put your face in the camera. Since you want to be all broken,
like my
put your
ass.
face in the camera. Don't you just hate when boys try to roast you at the last minute and then they want to quit? Stupid. Don't worry about it, like. And all jokes aside, I am not. Why are you biting your nails? Stressing about what? Why? What they do to you? Exactly. Not gonna say what they did to you. I don't got time. Are we just gonna have a staring contest? Okay, I'll start. Hold up.
I love you. I love your energy. Have a good day.
You too. Pop his head up. Act like this is TikTok. This is not TikTok. That's the thing.
You got a do-rag?
She's still there.
It's a fashion thing?
Yeah, fashion thing out here. There ain't no style out here either. So I didn't even know what to say. Sea breezy. Hello. I didn't understand nothing you just said.
I said, are you picking or what?
Am I looking or what? What? Did he say cooking or looking? Excuse me. Hello.
You're cute.
Thank you. I appreciate the compliment.
Oh shit, look at that little fun ass. Damn, shorty. You wanna have my snap back?
You said what?
No.
Oh, fuck it. You wanna add on snap?
Click the front thing. Then you could add me on Snap. I ain't finna add you, broke dudes. It's like, what's good? What's up?
Alright, I see you. I see you. Fresh G.
You know you I mean, you already know what's up. I ain't gotta explain it.
Bitches gonna bounce that ass. If you a bad bitch and gonna bounce that ass.
Okay, I think people in here are boring. Like, that's why I don't do monkey abs. So I don't do them. I don't know. Hello? Why you gotta be so close in the camera?
I don't know.
Cause right now your eyes look like they're doing this. You better reconnect them back. You already know.
Yo.
What's good? You said what? Your connection kind of tweaking, my man. What's up? Why you look sad? Yes, you. Okay, I think we're gonna be done. Yeah. Oh, shoot. It's already 11 minutes. Okay.
5 minutes.
If you did like the video, please make sure to subscribe to my... I know I'm not matching. I mean, I am matching, but it's whatever. If you did like the video, please make sure to subscribe.